What's up, everybody? It's Lightworth Studios. Today we're doing a bit of a different kind of video. We have our first piece of the new studio that's coming in that's going to make our channel have a lot better quality. So let's get to opening up this box. This wrap. Didn't know Amazon did the box within a box trick. Oh, lordy. Have mercy. I opened it upside down. I'm smart. Okay, so this is a Tonor Q9 studio microphone. The first piece of it that we have here is the pop filter. I don't know what this is called, but I just know that if you have it on a table, it's supposed to help with if you hit the table and you're recording. If your microphone's sitting on the table and you accidentally bump into it, it's not gonna make the audio sound like complete crud. The phone that goes around the microphone. I think this is the cord to the microphone. The clamp, the thing that holds it down to the table. This is the arm that Okay, you can have the bubble wrap, buddy. And this is actually the microphone itself. So, yeah, no, that's it. This wasn't all that exciting of a video. It was all I really could do today. It was a very busy day today. Happy 4th of July, everyone. And this is probably going to be in the next video, actually. So thank you all for watching. Wasn't that exciting, but still, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.